Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Centaur Warrunner's Eternal Chaos Chosen set for cheap in Dota 2. To do this, you first need to open your Dota 2 Fire Steam, and then click on Armory, and under the Filter Hero list, search for Centaur. And once you're here, search for Eternal Chaos Chosen, which is right over here. So to buy this set in cheap, all you need to do is click on this I button first. As you can see, the market price of this set is 1384.66 Indian rupees. So to buy this in cheap, all you need to do is buy these items separately. For example, this one costs 5.8, 255.71, 67.32, 178.99, 149.98, 296.1, and 50.51, which will bring up your total up to 1004 Indian rupees. So you're gonna save like 380 bucks by using this method. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!